This is not juggling. This is called misdirection. And no matter what level you are at magic, we got stuff here for you. Learning basic principles of magic, like learning chords on a guitar. Once you know a few simple principles, you can build your whole magic routine. And if you're smart enough to work silently, it brings out a huge amount of wonder.
When you don't talk, the audience has to tell itself the story, and they don't know where it's going. The basic method behind this uses sound misdirection. Palming is when you hide something in your hand. You're going to bring your whole hand around and conceal that ball and completely close your fist. And that will make all your relatives laugh.
The simplest trick you can do involves exploring how do we know what is true.
Take those two ends and tie them in a double knot around each other. Yeah, I'll see you later.
There's more magic in cards than anything else. You don't need to know the card. You just have to need to know the card next to the card.
Was that your card?
Yes.
If you get good at magic, you will automatically get good at a certain kind of acting.
Magic forces you to learn about storytelling, assumptions, about the way we perceive the world.
And then smash it. That's it.
You must be empathetic. You must try to see yourself through another person's eyes. And I think you have to simply say that one of the things that makes life worth living is giving other people joy. We're Penn and Teller, and this is our masterclass.